Let's start recording. Oh, it did. Okay, so welcome back to the channel. Myself and Aisling are at the river again, surprise surprise, and we're going to be going for a swim because the evenings have been just unreal. It's the middle of August, and we're also going to have a look to see if we can see some trout under the water. We've been using the snorkels for the last few weeks, and we can see all the fish under the water. So what we're going to do is stick the GoPro on our head and do a bit of snorkeling and see what we see under there. At the end of the day we'll probably do a little spot of fishing as well. We're doing more fishing than anything else, aren't we?
Yeah.
What? It's a really hot day, and yeah, stick around. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
If you're gonna do that again. Oh God, it's so warm.
Are we there yet? Water at the moment is very shallow because it's been so hot for the last few weeks. So we have to try and look out for a few deep pools. Look right down. That was the one we had, wasn't it? So most fish, as far as I've seen, apart from pike kind of resting in pools and really, you know, slow moving water, most other fish seem to actually kind of spend their time in the fast flowing water, like rapids. When we were kids we used to catch a lot of fish in the rapids, and so that's where we're going now, up the river here. There's a few rapids, and that's where I'm going to turn on the GoPro and get a bit of underwater footage, and hopefully see some trout there as well. So right there's rapids, and we're on the river Liffey here. So all of this kind of slow moving water here, there never really seems to be much fish around here. So if the fish are, you know, competing against each other, the first fish in the rapid is generally the one who's going to get the food first that's flowing down the river. So they're all generally in the fast flowing water, trying to get any flies or worms or anything that comes down in their way. So first come, first served. We'll go and have a look and see what we see. You all right there?
We do some fishing.
Of course we'll do some fishing.
Yeah, I want to do some fishing.
I'll do some fishing. Let's go see the fish and see where they are first, and then we'll know where to throw the line, won't we? Yeah. Rad. Okay.
Walk like this.
Go forward. Alright, like that. I'm gonna hop in. Good low. Pretty shallow here. Right, I'll see you in a minute. Hey, so there's a few trout in there. I'm gonna go up a little bit further where it's a bit deeper, okay? Okay. Yeah? Is there?
I think you should reel it a little bit slower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll just fish once or twice more here. You want to do a bit of fishing?
Yeah.
Well, I like to snorkel.
Yeah.
Yeah? This is the craziest type of fishing we've ever done. Oh no. Like, the minnow are so tiny.
Well, like, how do they not get washed away?
There's so many fish in there.
Really?
Yeah, there's loads of fish. Do you want to put on your snorkel and have a look? Let's stick it down there and kind of work it all the way up.
Okay. Yeah, do it slowly.
Yeah. Not sure. We don't need to know the time. Sure we don't?
No.
We need to know the time. We're having a bit of fun. Did you? So these are just a few little light lures. They mimic a little minnow, so they'll move really good through the water, and that's like to mimic a little rainbow trout, I suppose, that one there. They're pretty small. I'll give those a go. These are only €1 in Decathlon in Dublin, and you can order them online as well. So I'll hook that up on the line, flick that out and see what happens. Gorgeous little lures. For €1 you can't go wrong. Perfect for really light fishing in a river. This is nice, isn't it? Just to be able to stand in the river and do a bit of fishing. Not have to worry about getting wet. Huh? Oh. Oh. What's this? Yeah. Trout. Come back a little bit. You actually caught a fish.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, look at the trout. Is it a pike? Oh, look, a pike. It's actually a pike. Look, I haven't seen a pike in so long. A jack pike. Can you hold this one off for a second for me?
Yeah.
There he is, he's a little beauty. Oh, pike, I mean, they're a voracious kind of fish. They're like a freshwater shark, really. They're the freshwater shark of the rivers and the lakes and the canals of Ireland. Really lovely, isn't he?
He's a long fish.
Yeah, really long. So they're a really fast predator, pointed like a little torpedo with a really big tail, so they're really, really super fast. And their teeth are extremely sharp. And they point backwards as well, so if you're a little fish and you go in there, you're not going to be coming back out.
He just keeps running back and forth.
So, oh, you alright? Oh no, Jay, is he alright? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Sorry, Pearl.